For most of human history, every person on Earth came from the same place, and almost nobody knew where that place was. There were no biology textbooks, no microscopes, no genetics, no diagrams explaining reproduction. And yet, somehow, humanity eventually uncovered one of the most important secrets it would ever learn: the origin of new life. But here's the strange part. That secret was hiding in plain sight. Imagine an Ice Age campfire burning somewhere in the darkness. Families sit around the flames, children sleep nearby, the stars stretch endlessly overhead. These people have witnessed births their entire lives. They've seen mothers become pregnant, they've watched children grow up, and yet they may not fully understand where babies actually come from. Not because they lacked intelligence, but because reality had hidden the evidence. Most causes are easy to spot. Touch fire, you get burned. Drop a rock, it falls. Eat spoiled food. Your stomach immediately launches a formal protest. Cause, effect, cause, effect. The pattern is obvious. Pregnancy doesn't work that way. Between the event that begins a new life and the arrival of a baby lies almost an entire year, a delay so long that the connection becomes difficult to see, and that changes everything because humans are pattern-seeking creatures. We search for causes. We look for explanations. We want the world to make sense. But when the real cause is buried beneath months of time, the mind starts searching elsewhere. And when humans don't have answers, we become remarkably creative. Spirits, ancestors, dreams, divine intervention. Across history, cultures developed explanations that mixed observation with imagination because the true mechanism remained hidden. But eventually, something began to happen. Patterns emerged. Tiny observations accumulated across generations. Imagine a hunter returning to his group after months away. Life continues as normal. Seasons pass. Children are born. At first, nothing seems unusual. Then, he begins noticing something strange. Whenever certain relationships form, children often seem to follow. Not immediately, not every time, but often enough to catch his attention. Then he notices something else. Some children resemble particular adults. The same eyes, the same smile, the same expression that suggests they're about to make an incredibly bad decision. At first, it feels like coincidence. Then, it happens again, and again, and again. A possibility begins to emerge. Maybe new life isn't appearing randomly. Maybe there is a connection. Maybe the answer has been standing in front of everyone the entire time. The pattern is faint, easy to miss, but once noticed, it becomes difficult to ignore, and humans are exceptionally good at chasing patterns. Because humans possess a superpower unlike anything else on Earth. We don't just discover information, we preserve it. We tell stories, we teach our children, we pass ideas from one generation to the next. Knowledge accumulates, and that changes everything. Because the moment humans began understanding the connection between adults and childbirth, they weren't just participating in nature anymore. They were beginning to understand it. That realization would eventually influence families, inheritance, marriage systems, social rules, and entire civilizations. A discovery that began with simple observations would help shape the structure of human society itself. But even then, humanity still didn't have the full answer. People recognized the pattern. They just couldn't see the machinery behind it. The real process remained invisible. For thousands of years, humans stood in a strange position, knowing enough to recognize the connection, knowing too little to explain it. The mystery had become smaller, but it had not disappeared. Then came another revelation, and this one didn't arrive from a campfire. It arrived through a lens. When microscopes were invented, humanity entered a world no human had ever seen before. A hidden universe existed beneath ordinary sight. Cells, microorganisms, microscopic structures carrying information from one generation to the next. And within that invisible world, scientists discovered the true machinery responsible for creating new life. The answer was far stranger than anyone imagined. Every human life begins with an event so small that it escapes every human sense. No sound, no flash of light, no announcement from the universe, just microscopic cells meeting in complete silence. Yet from that tiny beginning emerges everything. Cities, art, science, music, empires, entire human lives, even the person listening to this right now. Honestly, if someone had described this process thousands of years ago, it would have sounded like fantasy, yet it happens every day. And perhaps that's the strangest part of the story, because the story of discovering where babies come from isn't really about babies. It's about how humans uncover hidden truths. Again and again, our species encounters mysteries, storms, stars, disease, life itself. At first, we explain them with stories, then patterns emerge, then evidence, then understanding. Not because reality becomes simpler, but because our vision becomes sharper. And that process is still happening, because reality rarely reveals its secrets all at once. It hides them behind time, behind complexity, behind patterns that take generations to notice. And every so often, a species staring into the darkness notices something strange. A connection, a clue, a truth. And the moment that truth becomes visible, the world is never quite the same again.